Hi there, Chris here, and Suki. Oh, Suk, are we boring you? All right, I have this very cool wink house that Rune Picker sent me. We did a little deal, and so I wanted to pick this on camera, and then eventually I'm going to put it in this core because it will fit. If you see here, you line up the holes. Now it will hang out because it's longer this way than I think these want to be flush with 40 millimeters, but it doesn't really matter if it sticks out. And you can see wherever it was before it stuck out. Now this one, this fab, sticks in just slightly. Doesn't really matter, still operates the lock. The one thing you do have to do is to position this cam, and it's adjustable to put it either side so that it will, even with the screw out, even with this screw out, it will, when it's locked, it will stay in the lock, and even when it's unlocked, it'll stay in the lock. Is that right? Yes, that is right. Okay. So, also, I was going to pick this one on camera, and I've lost my mojo, but I will get this for you. This is a really awesome Yale. Murloc picked his, and I picked it, and I've lost my mojo, but I will get this for you. Now, tomorrow, I have a scary video, a scary, awesome, special video, thanks to Suki, I think. Anyway, let's get to picking this. Yeah, a very, very overwhelming type lock. So let's see. This is a very paracentric, funny keyway, and has a nice cut in it to mess with you. Here's the bitting on the key. It's a great winky. And of course it works beautifully. So let's see how we do this. If we do this. Might be bottom of the keyway. And I might need to use the baby pick. Let's see. Sook. All right, here we go. Well, that was not quite right. Maybe this guy. You don't often see me picking bottom of the keyway, or tensioning bottom of the keyway. I think that gets out of the way, leaves the core free to turn. So this is what Suki does when I pick. She watches. All right, where was we? I think I'm not binding the core. If I'm binding the core, I have to figure out something else. What happens if we do this? What if I just shade the whole thing that way? I do know I'm not binding the core, but I may not be able to reach around it. Where you going, Sook? Okay, I think I have a bit of a false set. I'm going to switch to the baby pick. Got an itch? Sook? Should you give me a kiss on the nose? Don't think I'm lighting it up much. Reset. Must have overset something. Try back with this. Okay, a little bit of a false set. A little core movement when I hit the back. Counter back there. Hope it's not pin one. I'm going to be in trouble setting it. But I can go really low with this. Sneak in there. I don't think that's it though. Oh, it's somebody back there, I think, for at least right now. Counter in the back. Can't quite reach high enough with this little guy though. Whoops, did I lose it? Maybe. Yeah, well, let's try something else. Let's go in the back first with this SS Dev. Around and back and turn it. Huh. Almost can't reach that far. I should actually make one to duplicate this thing. This was a broken pick, so I only had so much length on it, but I should duplicate a longer one because it's very handy, or it is for me anyway. Sometimes has trouble reaching because you get into this thick part of the shaft. There's some good counter. Some bad overset. Come on. And we got it. I just sort of chewed it to death. All right, cool. Well, let's see if we can get this. I think we can. All right. Suk, are you on the thing? We'll take a little watch of Suk. I mean, she's so interested in all this. All right, these you got to be careful with because you don't want to, you know, bend them too big so that they won't pass through here. So I'm going to take my time a little bit carefully, and I'm going to work both sides gently. There we go. Well, that was pretty painless. Now, we turn it this way, and this is a bit of the scary part. Oh, it's not open at the back. Oops. So, I'm going to have to depress this and pull at the same time. So let's see where I want to pull from. I think I want to pull from here. I want it about there. Oh, no, I can't depress that because I have to get that little pin out of the way. So it will slide out. Wait a minute. Okay, let's go back. I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to move this pin or adjust the cam. Well, actually I could do it just like that if I put it right in the middle. And I think we can get it. Now sometimes these are open and you stick a shim through, but I can't get a shim in this one. So let's see if we end up somewhere where we can get this off. I think. Let's see if we can pull this out. Yeah, but no shim. And it won't pull enough to drop this. What's going on there? No, I don't, you just see the pin there. I don't want that in line with this chamber. So here we go. I'm gonna have to put this back together with my front loader. Anyway, there's the little pin that depresses. It's a 5-pinner. And I should be able to reconstruct where the spools went. So that's 5, very long. That's 2. That's 1. I guess that's, let's see, should I have put a, oh, I should have put a pinning shoe in there. That's what I should have done. Well, whatever. I get it. There's our little spring. There's 3. It's a short one. And the other way I can reconstruct this is, hopefully, they've balanced the pin stack, and that gives me more feedback on where things went. So that's that. Very cool. We'll stick this up here. Now, let's see what we got in here. Well, this is kind of a no-brainer because it's the anti-drill, and these are all kind of stacked. Pardon me. I'm going to take a closer look at those. That's interesting. I'll bet that was in the back. It's another spring. Should be some more. Oops. 2 more. All right. Let's have a look here. Thanks for holding that for me, Sook. Come on, you can do this. I know you can. Yeah, I'll put this back together with a front loader. So, you have 2 very long spools, and they almost look like they have a little waste in them. Focus a little bit better. And this guy in the back, which is reduced. Let's take a look at one of those spools. Look out. I'll take this one. Try anyway. Yeah, see, it's kind of a tapered spool in the middle. Interesting. Very cool. Love a Wink House locks. Anyway, thank you so much, Rune Picker, for that cool trade we did. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe. Say hi to my helper, and we will see you next time.